Hi everyone, it's Shirley and welcome to my channel. So I wanted to start off this vlog with some self-care because honestly I've been neglecting my self-care, and I will share some self-care rituals that I would like to do more of. One of those things includes doing my nails. I like when my nails are done. I'm not very good at painting my nails, and I hate that they get chipped so easily because the nature of my job requires me to use my hands a lot. I'm constantly putting on and taking off gloves and switching to new gloves throughout the day. Regular nail polish just chips so easily. I feel like getting gel nails would be more resilient and last longer, but I didn't want to go to a salon because it's expensive. I'm pretty frugal, and I think if you watch my vlogs you can kind of tell I don't spend money if I don't have to. So when Nail Addict reached out to me, I was super excited to try out their gel nail polish. They are partnering with me in this video, and I wanted to share how I've been doing my nails recently and how I keep them long because my nails are very prone to breaking once they reach like a certain length. I've been really wanting to try a gel nail system at home that you can do from the comfort of your home and touch up whenever you need to. Nail Addict offers vegan, nine-free, and cruelty-free gel nail polishes that have healthy and long-lasting formulas. Their products are created with love and passion at their headquarters in Los Angeles, California. They've improved their formula to remove 9 high toxic chemicals from it so that it's safer for your nails and for you. So it's free of formaldehyde, toluene, DBP, formaldehyde resin, camphor, xylene, ethyl disolamide, parabens, and acetone. Their gel nail polishes are cured with UV or LED light. They have a range of different colors, from bold colors to neutrals. They also offer a base coat, top coat, remover, and also UV LED lamps. They didn't send me a base coat, and I'll get into why it might be beneficial to use base coat later. So the colors that I chose are cherie, Urban Star, Nail Addict, and Lilac Madness. I told them that I didn't have an LED or UV lamp, and they kindly sent one over. You can get these on their website. I love how compact and portable they are. They're powered by USB, and I love that they don't take up too much space. So you want to start off with clean, dry nails, so no residue, no oil, no water. You can wash your hands with soap before, but make sure that they're completely dry. And the key is to go in thin layers. I made the mistake of using really thick layers the first time around, and I find that it just doesn't cure the way it's supposed to. It can cause like bumps in your nails, so just go in really thin layers. Make sure that you cure your nails in between each layer. For the curing time, it takes 2 minutes for a UV lamp or 30 seconds with an LED lamp. After your nails are at the opaqueness that you'd like, you go in with a top coat. This is really where you can see the UV LED lamp in action. Your nails will be like a neon green color, like when you shine a UV lamp over things. And this is usually where I can see the spots that I might not have covered as evenly. I do find that my nails are still tacky after, but that can be fixed. I looked this up, and this happens because oxygen prevents your nails from drying completely. What I do is soak a cotton round or a cloth pad in alcohol and wipe every nail with that, and the stickiness completely goes away. So how long does it last? I feel like if what you do on a day-to-day basis doesn't really require your hands, it can probably last up to a month. That's like if you're really careful, and if you coat like around, I think the way you paint your nails also really helps. I'm at 2 weeks right now, and actually these 2 nails came off today. So this hand was perfect until today. As you can see, when part of the gel comes off, the whole thing comes off with it, which could be a good thing and a bad thing. I actually prefer it. I don't like the look of chipped nails, and it just helps with like taking it off later. If you're worried about the health of your nails, they do have a remover. You apply a really thick layer of the remover on your nail, wait for 5 minutes, and then you can easily peel off the gel nail polish. You can use your fingers, or I like to use a cuticle pusher. No acetone is needed, no lamp is needed, which is really convenient, and it makes the removal process really simple. I'm also really surprised that my nails haven't broken yet. Usually they start to break at this length, and I believe that having gel nails really does help protect your nails against breakage, since there's such a thick layer that's keeping the shape of your nails. And also wanted to mention that if I used a base coat, I think the gel would have adhered better to my nails. Having a base coat underneath would help to create a smooth canvas, so I definitely recommend picking up the base coat as well. If you would like to try Nail Addict's gel polishes for yourself, I do have a discount code for 50% off. You can use Shirlesque and save on your next purchase. Thanks again, Nail Addict, for sending me your products to try out. And with that, let's get on to the rest of the vlog. An ideal self-care day would be one where I have no plans and I'm able to sleep in a little bit. It feels really nice to use a wash-off mask at least once a week so that my skin really has a detox and it gets rid of all the dirt and grime. The one I'm using is from Public Goods. I reviewed it in my previous video, so you can go check it out. I know how good stretching is for the body, but I always forget, so I want to make more of an effort to stretch more, get rid of all the tension in my shoulders and my back, and to just improve my posture because I have a habit of slouching over, especially since I sit at a desk for a majority of the day. My hair is super faded, so I thought I would touch it up. I'm using the Manic Panic Ultraviolet. Just having colored hair is such high maintenance, and I like to wait until my hair is super faded out until I touch up. My hair looks and feels so much healthier when it's freshly colored and washed. Once in a while, I will trim my ends. If I see that my ends are getting frayed and split, I use professional hair cutting scissors. I actually prefer a blunt cut since I have thin hair. It just helps it look thicker and fuller than it actually is. Now I'm using hair serums. It's taking me a long time to go through these products. I will link below what I'm using if you're interested. I always neglect my eyebrows. My eyebrows are very thick. I have to keep maintaining them if I want them to look defined. My lips are chapped most of the time, so a lip scrub really helps. I want to try like a lip mask and to apply chapstick more often. Along with all of these things, I also want to prioritize skincare since it's the largest organ on our body and we should protect it. I would love to hear what your skincare rituals are, so feel free to share. Good morning, everyone. I have the day off today, so I'm gonna spend time with family because I'm usually not home, so just getting ready. Hi everyone, I have a small haul from Miniso. So first I got a bottle of hand sanitizer because I'm running out and we need it in this day and age. And then I got a new makeup sponge because my beauty blender is like really dirty and it's breaking apart, so this was really cheap for what it was. Then I got this Poo Pori Before You Go toilet spray for Alvin because he needs it. And I chose the citrus scent because I thought it would be the most pleasant. And I got these beauty scissors because my brother broke mine and I'll probably use this to like maintain my eyebrow hairs. I also tried the house milk tea with egg pudding from R&B, and I got 70% sweetness, but it's actually pretty sweet, so I don't know what's up with that. And that's it. Bye. Hey guys, so I'm getting brunch with my coworkers and I'm running late, and parking was such a hassle to find around University Avenue. If you know, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna rush and I'm super hungry. Hello, so I just got back home. I don't know if I showed you guys this already, but I got a Shiba Inu air freshener. Anyway, I'm getting distracted. I just got back from hanging out with my coworkers. It was super fun. We also went to T4 and I got an apple black tea for Alvin. And of course, an Okinawa milk tea for myself. And later tonight, we're gonna have an early Valentine's dinner with Alvin's dad. I'm gonna head into the house, probably get some editing done. I'm not sure if I have time, but yeah. TGIF, happy Friday, y'all. I just got off from work and now I'm waiting for Alvin to head over from work. We're grabbing dinner tonight at BJ's. I haven't been to BJ's in a few years, so I don't remember what the food's like. I will show y'all what we're eating very soon. Loaded nachos. So work provided lunch today. This is the coconut curry wrap, and I also got jasmine milk tea. So let's dig in. These wraps are from World Wraps. Ooh, look at that spread. Oh my god, it looks so good. The wrap is actually orange. I'm not sure if that gives it any extra flavor. And it's kind of sweet. It's very fragrant. Not as savory as I expected, but still good. How to try this. It's not bad. I think it's like slightly watered down. But it's not bad at all, and the boba isn't hard yet, which is good. Not as sweet as I would like, but still drinkable.